How you guys at school? This is T. So we are celebrating the year sixes who have just completed their SATs. Well done to them. And that was, so if you weren't aware, it was from the 11th of May right up until the 14th of May. So the four main assessments that the children would have been looking at would have been reasoning for maths. This is so reasoning, arithmetic and reasoning, SPAG, which is spelling, punctuation, and grammar, and then you have your reading paper. So those are the four main papers that they were looking at for their SATs this year. And then their writing is assessed separately. So throughout the year, the teachers would have been collating different pieces of writing, different genres of writing, different styles of writing all throughout the year. So poetry, nonfiction, fictional writing, all sorts of different genres throughout the year. And then what happens is the teachers will then assess them at the end of the year. And within the school, within the school, those pieces of writing will be assessed, will be moderated, and they'll be assessed along with other schools, so they can have a local moderation, or they can have actually a moderator come in. So a moderator is usually a teacher who comes in and they assess. So it can be one or two teachers who come in depending on the size of the school, and they'll moderate the pieces of writing that have been collated by the teachers, just to ensure that the assessments are at the right level. So I was, when I was in year 1, 2, I was moderated. When I was teaching year 2, I was moderated. When I was teaching year 6, I was also moderated. So that was fun. And I also became a moderator as well. So for Key Stage 1. And you work through different pieces of writing, and you are trained to have a look at these pieces of writing so that you can accurately support the teachers that you are moderating on that day. And so that's what happens. So it's not that the writing isn't assessed, it is teacher assessed, and there is a robust system that is put in place to ensure that these teacher assessments are actually accurate. So hopefully that was useful for you, and all the best to all the year sixes. I'm sure they've done absolutely brilliantly. All we wanted was the best anyway from them. All right. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.